Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all passwords on Google Chrome. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how you find passwords in general and how you can just easily delete one or a few of them. But then I'm going to show you another way how if you simply want to clear out all of those passwords of Google Chrome, you can do it directly from there. So what you want to do, once you open up the Google Chrome, simply click three dots on the upper right hand side and go down to settings. And from here, you want to click an autofill and passwords on the left hand side. Now, from here, you will go to the Google Password Manager. And once you click on that, you will see that it shows the amount of passwords showing here. And you can click on those passwords and view them. So once you click on a password, you might need to enter your Windows password or whatever you have. If you have a pass key set up, you'll be able to view that password and you can delete it from it, as you can see right here. And so if you have a ton of them, you can just go through and delete the ones you want, or you can use a search and search for a password from here as well. So let's say I'm searching for Shopify. I know you can see it there in the list, but if you want to search for it, you can start typing it and you'll find it and you can just easily, go ahead and delete it. Now, if you have a ton of passwords that you just simply want to clear out and delete everything, you can do that with ease as well. And how do you do that? Once you're on Google Chrome, you can be anywhere. You don't have to be in the settings. You can just simply click the three dots on the upper right hand side and go down to where it says delete browsing data. Click on the delete browsing data. It's going to take you right here. And you want to go ahead and go to the advanced tab. Now from here, you want to set this to all time. And this is the timing is really flexible, because if you recently add something and you want to delete passwords in a specific time frame, then you can do 4 weeks, 7 days, 24 hours, last hour, or if you always want to do it for all time, you select that. Now from here, just uncheck everything else and just go ahead and select passwords and other sign-in data. So once you select this, guys, and click delete, it's going to delete all of those passwords like a mass delete and clear up your Google Chrome space there within there. And just simple clear up all of those passwords within Google Chrome. And that's how you can easily delete all passwords in Google Chrome using these steps. Very easy and very simple.